Hi guys, welcome back. Now last night or yesterday's video I created this movie word search. Now I said you can have it for free and I keep my promises. So if you go over to my website, it is christmaseveryday.com. If you scroll down, and it is one of these latest, this one here, so it'll scroll a lot, but if you start again, getting tongue tied here, it will scroll through. So if you can't see it here, but it's this one here, yeah, it will come on here. Otherwise, scroll down and it's this one here. Unleash the fun with our 2 free movie word search puzzles. Because remember, we made 2 word search puzzles yesterday. Then all you do then is scroll down, read it if you want. Don't worry if you don't want. You can have a right click and then save image as. But if you want the answers with it, the solutions, then keep scrolling down and underneath each one, if you click on that, it will automatically download in a PDF file. Yeah. While you're here as well, if you want to get some more freebies, if you click on anywhere on the site where it says this blue freebies, it will bring you over to a page, and then it'll have all the posts that I've created where you can get the freebies. A lot of them are colouring pages, yeah. But if you want to get some other, if you go through if you click on blog as well, and you scroll through, in any that look like it's got a puzzle on it, like this one for instance from England Facts, Christmas True or False, this Sudoku one, crossword one, anything like that, you can click on previous as well. They'll have freebies on it for download. Another place, if you come to where it says media, Christmas games, you can scroll down and then you can play any of these games, but on the games, like for instance this one, click on it. Not sure why I'm doing that, guys. Doesn't normally do that, don't like that. Yeah, if you scroll down, as you can see here, there's another freebie here. You can either right click it like before, or you can click on here and it'll download, guys. Feel free to share it, much appreciated. But today, guys, we're going to make, what we're going to make, oh yeah, hard Christmas riddles, yeah. So I've just typed in on ChatGPT, it's an AI, type in questions or whatever you want it to do and it'll basically give it to you, yeah. So I've just typed in hard Christmas riddles and it's giving me these ones, yeah. So what all I've done, yeah, is we'll copy it. Let's give us 10, yeah, so we'll copy these. Don't worry, we've got the answers as well. Come over to Canva and then scroll up, and I've made a blank page. Then what I tend to do, turn this red. Click on the colour. Yeah, click on the colour. Then what I tend to do, guys, I always like to make like a bit of a border. If you hear that noise again, guys, it's my PC. I think it's going to blow up. Shouldn't be able to say words like that on the screen, on the live. Anyway, yeah, so do this. You can either keep it green or just want to make sure, yeah, it's in the centre now, guys. Just make it a bit smaller, and then get a text box. We'll probably get a small one, and then we're going to paste those in what we had, right? But we'll make it smaller, make it to 18. We want it on the screen, but that's too big, isn't it, guys? So we'll shrink it down a bit. Still looking too big. We'll if you couple over this and then you change the size, put it to 16. No, try 18, 17. 18 looks a bit better, doesn't it, guys? Bring it down a bit. Now I'm thinking, should we have the the writing black or should we have it white? But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put on my logo. Have it down there, yeah, in the bottom, yeah. I'll move it in a minute. So what I want to also do is put my website address on it. This will be free as well, guys, if you want it. Now you might be thinking, guys, Christmas is already gone. Yeah, I understand that. But it's very popular. People search for it all year long. So, hence the reason I've got this website. Yeah, I love it all. Not sure if the numbers are going to change now. If I change it to white now, oh yeah, yeah, we'll keep it white. And then we want a heading, don't we? So what? Christmas riddles. We will change the font style. I don't know, comic. Subheading, riddles. Change the font for that. What should we have it as? Suppose we can have it like that. What do you think, guys? We need some images, don't we? So we go to elements and type in Christmas. Yes, we can get onto graphics, put a couple of things on it. What should we have on it? Change a bit on that, dude. If you take time with this, guys, you can make a good one. I've another gingerbread dude. Yeah, you can make some really good ones. I'll show you some other ones what I made earlier, not today, but like a while ago. And then, guys, you can either print these off at home when you've made them yourself, use them for at home for your kids and your loved ones, yourself, etc. Or you can go and I'll show you now. You can go and sell them on Etsy. This is another one. This is just a plain one. This one. This is what I made different. Instead of having like look the stop. I'm stopping there, guys. Instead of having like these long ones here, it's like a verse. Yeah. These are just like sentences, just simple ones. But then I put the answers down at the bottom. Another one I made, guys, is this one here, and I made it a bit fancier. Guess the riddles, and then just add clues these, so they can cut these out or they can keep on this card. Then the second card has got the answers on. Yeah, and you just type in, like I think Christmas riddles. Look, 14,800 people a month are searching for Christmas riddles. Yeah, and that's going to change as the months go on, but it'll still be a lot. Then if you scroll down, these are both mine. Yeah. I'm only selling them for £1.80, but other people are selling them for a different price. Like this one here, £2.61. 3,000 people have bought this. Yeah. This one here, £3.96. 1,000 people bought that one. There's like bundles and that. You can make all sorts, guys. But anyway, let's get back to ours. We can keep it like that. We can put another. Just have loads of different gingerbread dudes on our page. We've got 4 different ones. Should have 4 somewhere. I'm missing one here. Oh yeah, him. Making them line up. Yeah, and that is how easy it is, guys. You can download that, use it, and then if you want to make with the answers, you just do the same. So you come back over to ChatGPT, here are the answers, but instead of having all that text on it, just let me just see. Yeah, so what I'll do then is that I'll duplicate the page, right? Maybe change that to green, change the green one to red, and then copy all this, all that we don't want it, and then just paste in the answers. We can have these, do it all. Yeah, make it a bit bigger, then you can see it. And play around with it, guys. Make it how you want it, but this is pretty much how you do it. And then you've got your Christmas riddles and the answers. Just try and make it the centre. And then what you do then, guys, is you come over to, you know, if you've not used it before, and just download it. And you can download. Obviously, I've got 7 pages. I don't want all pages in there, so I'll just do the first 2. Done that, and then you can have a download on the PNG, which I will do. But I also like to print off as a PDF. And then it's easy for you to download. Yeah. So another thing as well, guys. In fact, let's read one of these riddles out. Let's go back over to ChatGPT. I'm round and shiny, a decoration so bright, on the tree I hang, reflecting the light. What am I? Another one. I'm made of snow, but I'm not a flake. I'm cold and hard, and kids used to make me. What am I? Let's go there and have a look. First 2 answers, ornament and snowball. Yes. So, another thing, if you come over to, 1 minute. Oh yeah, if you come over to the website, guys, and you want to, trivia. You don't want to create anything, you just want to do some, like, games and stuff like that. We've got these here, guys, these trivia games. Click on one. Then the problem with this one, it always opens the first one up, so kind of cheating, yeah? Like that. So I don't know if you caught that, if you did. Right. Who was the star of the Christmas movie Jingle All the Way? If you know, answer. Do you know? I do. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Then you've got like 10 questions here or something like that, guys. And then you want to go back. This one's about Christmas movies and books. I'm going to be updating these. I've got lots of plans for this website. There's only 3 here at the moment. That shouldn't be there. But yeah, there's only 3 here at the moment. But I've got lots of like movie ones ready for the live events. What I'm going to do on the Twitch. Yeah. So like over here, the live events what I'm going to do on the Twitch. Yeah, so when I come over here, I'm going to start doing lives, but doing like movie quizzes. I've got loads planned. Like here, I've put a schedule. Sundays I'm going to do movie chats. Tuesdays we'll do some more creating. Thursdays we'll do some creating. Fridays a quiz. Right, and then Saturday I'll be random, so I can do any kind of. If I decide to do another quiz, we'll do any more creation. Might just do chatting. Might even do, if you want to get in contact with us, guys, you can do. If you want me to show you how to create books, I can do. Because I'll show you now, guys. This is my Etsy shop, the Christmas Everyday Club. We've got lots and lots of different printables what I've created. Look, all these pages. Doing quite well. Made 810 sales. Got 5 stars. Yeah, so that's good considering people are liking my stuff. And then if I can, not sure if I can see it. go over to Amazon, and if we search Christmas Everyday Club, might find us, might not do. Yeah, so this is us, but that's the podcast that. Keep scrolling down. Oh, here we are. So here, where it says here Christmas Everyday, click on that. And then these are all. This is my like page on Amazon. Got all these books, lots and lots of books. A movie quiz. You can do the movie quiz if you want. Some of them have got like start rating, pretty good. These are new books what I've made for friends. This is one of my latest books. I've only got 4 stars, not good. Yeah, so look, got some good books here. I can show you how to create these, or I can show you how to create the printables. We can talk movies. So yeah, I think that's it, guys, for now. I'm going to go looking on some more. Looking on some more like puzzles, and got like a list here. I don't know if you can see it. Got a list, a book. Here's one of my notebooks from the Christmas Everyday. But I've got a list of write down all the keywords that I want to rank for on my website. So I'm writing down all the lots and lots of different blog posts I could create, like Christmas quizzes and movie quizzes, like animated Christmas movies, horror Christmas movies, etc., etc. So guys, that is it. So don't forget to come over to the Christmas Everyday Club website. There's a link in my description on Twitch. If you scroll down and then look, it's here, or it'll turn over in a minute. Feel free to read any of these, guys. There's some good content on here. Click on the freebies or click on the post, yeah, or just scroll down to here. Keep going down. Got loads of colouring pages. I need to reset that. Activity pages, printable party games. What's this one? Or just posts about decorations, recipes. Freebies is down here if you get lost. Stories as well. Christmas ghost stories. Christmas poems and stuff like that. Yeah, guys, and feel free to come and follow me. We're also on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, you name it, Facebook group. Yeah, but yeah, that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one, and until next time, goodbye.